Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2023 Acura TLX. What do you get when you take luxury, add sports styling, and inject it with high-performance engineering? The TLX. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, premium sound system, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, adaptive cruise control, keyless start. Heighten your driving experience. Drive the TLX today.